PJ, you're pushing me.
There we go.
Let's go. Let's Super Bowl.
Nope, we're not moving.
Come on.
PJ
did it.
doesn't like the small spots.
Put this foot right here.
So you're holding. Ow.
It's easier for you.
Hey, Alan. What? Can I put this other way?
All the way smaller.
You can go anywhere you want.
This is the big one though.
And then sit down. And then
Oh, you're in the splits to. It's like roll.
I couldn't.
other foot for you.
She made that look way too difficult.
No, she's doing it.
I know.
Doing it in a roll. There you go.
How'd they do?
Okay.
Yeah? Good. These guys got down there and they're all like, hell no, I'm not doing it. And they all went through.
They all do. That's what they all do. Bring the future.
I noticed you didn't go that way.
What? It's like a tube slide. That's what I'm telling myself. A really uncomfortable one.
Oh, man.
Good job. I'm so proud of you.
Mike, do you know what time you guys want to be out of here, or it doesn't make any difference? When they get tired?
What time did we get in the cave about?
It was,
Probably about 12:30,
yeah, I'm thinking 12:30.
maybe around 2:30, then quarter to 3.
Sure, okay.
What time is it?
It's 1:40.
Yeah, you know, these.
So it's about an hour or so.
They've had a couple of kids with punching each other.
Hmm?
A couple of kids have been punching each other while they're in here already. So, and throwing stuff. So, yeah, sooner the better, probably. See, I don't remember going through this all before.
Yeah,
Everything else we've done, I remember from
that's good.
Yeah, good job. I don't want to get rock
They have like rock on their hands.
No, because it's looking fine.
To answer your question,
Like fun ones, not like the rock climbing.
oh, fun ones?
Like for kids to go to.
Yeah, well, gym, not outside.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like they're all like fun colours and they're like, this is the wall.
Oh,
and
yeah.
stuff like that. I would like one of them.
Have you ever done the climbing tower?
Well, actually, now that you mention it, I got over the triangle yesterday.
Woo!
I know.
I'm totally impressed.
Is that sarcasm, Mike? Over sarcasm? You being sarcastic?
No, there's not too many people. Go, it's pretty funny to get these teachers and watching the kids. And, 25 kids go to 2 minutes. And there's these teachers who can go and watch it. Oh, I could do that.
It's
Yeah, Alan's back here. Alan, what direction?
I'm sorry?
What direction do you want them to go?
Explore.
Explore.
Explore and have some fun.
one of the kids was like, and I was like, I've never seen anyone do it, and she like, she was I was like, it'd be like if you was
Girls or gentlemen, I find out. Boys,
yeah. Like
most of the guys. It's very high. And the other side's easy, the first two.
Yeah, I managed like, I've done it once, I did it 2 times, I did it last session with my book for. The triangle the first time.
Well, if the kids are doing the easy side more, I'll put them in farther down. That's one they can only do, using the orange or blue rocks, once they get the, make it a little bit harder. There was one kid, he, I challenged him to climb the wall, the other side, with one rock, and he did.
Oh, he has to burn it. Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Some of the kids are really good.
Can you still speak over? I don't want to go back. I don't want to leave.
When they're done exploring up there, we can come back here and go back.
Oh, you mean that not to go out of the cave? No. Yeah, that was quick though. Well, what, give it 15 more minutes and then if you still want to go, we can go. And then that means we've done 2 hours.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
They come back this way, Alan?
Yeah, then they can come back here. There's all kinds of holes here they can go in and go up and over the rocks.
If you go over down here, it just leads to a dead end?
Yeah, it's just dead ends. It splits into a Y and then dead ends and comes back. But
If I go that way, will I catch up to them?
nah,
I'm gonna
you'll be ahead of them.
I can't jump up there, I'm scared. You know,
Nah, not from here.
it's funny how some places are drier than others.
Yes.
Like this rock is not, well, the other isn't really, it looks wet, I don't know if it is or isn't.
Yeah, it probably is.
But this is completely dry back here, it looks like.
Yeah, I think the water comes from right up there, because it looks like it's wet up top of that rock that's over top of you, and then dry. And I know that this fills up
Okay.
here sometimes. I was in here the one time and it was like up to here.
Really?
And that's scary as all crap, because I've never seen it that high. Sometimes there's a puddle down in here. That's no problem. Actually, it's kind of fun to see the kids play in the mud and stuff.
Does this room have a name?
This is Hanging Rock Hall.
Oh, okay.
Because
I
of the
saw it
hang.
on the map.
Yeah.
I can see why it's called Hanging Rock.
I think it's really cool. They've been there for so long. It's like. And
What did you say you did before you
what's that?
what kind of job did you have forever? You said you substitute teach.
Yeah.
What did you do before that?
I was in engineering. I designed printed circuit boards.
Oh, wow.
I did that for like 20, 30 years, something like that. I forget now. It seemed like forever. It was at least 20. Electronics and, you know,
Where was that at?
all over. It really was not a stable position to be in. Yeah, there were a lot of layoffs constantly. I was constantly looking for another job. There we go.
Hold up, I'm about to fall again.
And you said you go up that
Wait,
way?
sit down.
Yeah, they could go up. There's some big rocks up there they go to if they don't want to do the climbing and stuff, which is kind of rough. Go back same way.
Right, that goes back, not to the beginning, does it?
Yeah,
I think you need to
Yeah.
add the extra parts to it.
Oh,
yeah. Eventually it does.
hey, you made it. Where do you want to hang out?
In the big room.
This is the big room.
No, the bigger room with the 2 sides.
The other bigger room.
The other bigger room.
So you have,
You can go up there. There's some big rocks to climb over.
I think
No,
they
the
want you to go through the
hole.
way they
Do you want to
came in.
go out the way you came?
Yes.
All right.
That's through the hole, right?
Yeah.
Did you get to the food court and the gift shop back there?
Ain't no fool corner. For real.
You're starting to get me.
PJ, did you forget the cotton candy machine?
Ain't no cotton candy. Ain't no popcorn. What you want to say now? Just a movie theater too? Okay. Like, what?
Oh, that would be kind of cool to do in here, wouldn't
Oh,
it?
and an amusement park, right? We got it at an amusement park.
Amusement park. Amusement park. This is an amusement park. I'm very amused watching you guys do this.
I'm not amused.
Yeah, you guys are doing really good. You really are.
PJ, yeah, you got it. No, that's Jazz. No, that's Jazz behind us. Who's up there? Oh, that's Omi and Mike. That's Omi and Mike. No, I'm just from the back. Just from Wait, where are we going? I want to go through the hole.
We look the same from the back. Hold on, my
Which hole?
It's the hole there. Hole.
Oh, that one there. That
Yeah.
one. That hole.
That's the hole that we came through, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go to that hole. Oh, I thought you were hogging the hole.
No.
Alan, why don't you want to go with them?
Okay, I've been out down there so many times.
This the hole?
Yeah. There's that one, and then if you go up further, there's another one.
Which one is the hole that we came through?
That one. This one right here.
Okay.
Also,
Taylor, you go first. Okay. There's not a lot of light there.
Yeah. Why am I doing this? Sit down.
Who said that?
Can I put my backup light on so I can see better?
Yeah.
Only if you're backing up.
So y'all can have it on first?
I'm coming back.
What looks like on the geology?
Where the hell is
They're cursing me. They're cursing me, aren't they?
Oh, the cost of one. Yeah, I asked them to put the shoes on and they cursed me. So you've got them in a cave, Alan.
Alan, you said, Alan,
Yeah.
if PJ keeps going that way, that will take him out to where?
This way?
Right, do you want me to go with you then? Can I help you out?
There's a ow.
You got this, Gina.
A small hole, the far end, that goes into another room, and then that
for them to go.
Okay.
can either head out or else go down into the catacombs.
That goes out to where?
It either starts heading outside, out to the exit, or else you can go down and into the catacombs. So it's up to you, whatever you feel like doing. If you want to do the catacombs, it's fine. I can show you how to do that. If you want to do that,
Which way?
I was trying to get it down.
Right, if you put your foot on that.
you have options.
Like that.
You have choices here.
Go
Okay.
where?
So you either
He's here.
Did y'all go back there?
No. Which way is what?
we can either start heading out that way again, or else we can go over here,
Wait a sec.
and it's a little bit harder to
Yeah, are
do.
you going with them? No. Then don't
And
go that way.
there's actually a way to get down to a lower level
Okay.
and do some crawling.
You want to try?
Some crawling.
Anybody want to do some crawling? Crawling to where?
Crawling where?
Yes. Where? You know, in the cave to the.
Climbing and crawling.
He said y'all want to do some crawling. No.
We all don't want to go with They're gonna hang out a little bit and then they're gonna look at We don't have to do anything really hard. I just want my pizza and go. No.
Are we leaving?
If there's some exploring we can do that's like not too extreme,
That's what?
not that extreme.
Yeah, well, anything in this room,
Well, they tried to go that way, but they said it was dead end.
yeah.
So what are the others?
Some of these holes go looping around. Some of the big rocks have loops and passages underneath them that you can poke around in.
Okay.
You kind of have to poke around in the holes.
Wait, did Madison and Taylor leave?
No, they're.
And then in that, back in that room again, that has holes in that one too that you can look at.
Can we leave with them, please? Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Ow!
Okay, so we're just gonna go back to where we were and then go from there.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll go back to that big room. Wait, what are we doing? We're going back to that big room, and then we can explore from there. Or question. Are we eating at camp? We're going to eat at camp. don't know what we're doing.
Today is roasted steak. We're eating steak. Are we eating potatoes and roasted broccoli?
Yeah, but that's not gonna happen at camp. It depends. The longer we explore, the more likely it is we're leaving dinner. The more likely it is we get.
I'm gonna head that
Yo!
direction.
No, I want roasted.
I'm out of the way, and if anybody wants to go up this way, I can take them up here.
I'm the one under it.
Okay, but I don't want to stay here.
Please stop. Like, that's so good for them. They're coming back this way.
So that goes right to the other.
Yeah, that's the same place. They don't have to go there, they can go in through here too.
What? Oh, there's another hole up there you can go through. You're gonna go try that hole near Allen? Go try the hole near Allen. There's multiple holes you can go through. That one, the one up there by Allen, you go through that hole.
Alan put us through a small hole before. I'm not going through that.
Alan didn't put you through it. You chose to go through it.
Is it a big hole, small hole?
It's bigger.
Bigger hole over here. Bigger hole over here. Wait, you alright? Yeah, I'm going.
That's why I'm how old are you? Unlimited times.
Exactly. So gusty. Please,
Unless you want to go climb on the rocks.
It's 2 o'clock right now, so we can hang out for another 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
3 hours.
Like 20 minutes, 20 minutes.
Okay, does anyone want to go through a bigger hole?
What?
I
can't hear you.
Do you know where we're going from here?
Wherever you feel
Okay.
like. Turn right. Yeah, go right. Follow the line. I'll take you back wherever you want to go.
That's it.
I'll go through this.
That's about right, too.
I better not get